rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. So as you guys can tell by the environment, we'll be doing another Etsy type of video, but in this one, I'll be doing a bit of organizing of my studio space. Now, I know some of you have been waiting for the bullet journal videos to come through, and tomorrow I will be posting a bullet journal 2018 flip through. So if you're interested in that, be sure to stay tuned and of course, be subscribed. So for today's content, I figured I would do a video showing the aftermath of my Etsy launch. Now, I totally understand that everyone's launch will be different, and this is not a typical launch, but seeing that I do have a bit of an audience and I have been revving up for this particular day and announcing it and trying to market it on my social media accounts, I did end up getting quite a few sales, which have kept me busy for the last 2 days. So now that the initial rush of launch has ended, I just wanted to take a moment and kind of get my apartment and my small studio space back in order. And even though I feel like my system is fairly efficient, when things are just out of place, it really does add time to the packaging process, which can last all day. So I'm really looking forward to just getting things back on track. And before I turn you over to the soundtrack, I quickly wanted to say that I appreciate you guys so much for reaching out and trying to give me advice and different methods on how to do things. However, this is my third full day having an Etsy shop. And at this moment, I just want to enjoy the small moments like cutting the corners of my cardstock and just trying to do things manually as it is a handmade shop. While I totally understand there are always going to be faster and more efficient ways of doing things, at the early stages of my shop, I'm just trying to enjoy the journey and the moments, and hopefully in the future I can implement some of the advice that you've given. Thank you guys so very much. If you haven't checked out my shop already, I will have a link below, and I hope you enjoy the time lapse.